With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. According to a FIR in police station, car A was at rest, waiting for red light at a crossing when it was hit by a similar car B from the rear end. Both cars had hard brake from their skid mark and summarize that they are skid about 8 meters together or in original direction of travel before coming to rest. Assuming that the stopping force of 0.4 times of the combined mass of the car, then you have to find out the speed of the car B just before the collision. So if you see, they both combine after the collision and they move about 8 meter, and the stopping force was 0.4 times of the combined mass. So if you see, let's say these are the two cars, mass is the same, and let's say the car B was moving with velocity v0, right? And if you see here, A was at rest, right? So after the collision, what will happen? They combine here. If you see, the combined weight moved by a distance 8 meter, right? They both car had hard brake, 0.4 times of the combined mass. The deaccelerating force act on them. So if you see, after the collision, they both will move with, let's say, some velocity v. You can get this v by applying the momentum conservation, right? So I will write down mv0 is equals to 2mv. So we'll write down v is equals to v0 by 2. So as you got the velocity, now it is said that the deaccelerating force is 0.4 times the actual weight. So weight, if you see, it is 2 mg, right? So the deaccelerating force will be acting here 0.4 times of 2 mg. So the deacceleration, it will be, if you see, force by the combined mass, it is 0.4 g. That is, so it took 8 meter to stop them, right? So we'll just apply the third equation of motion. So after traveling 8 meter, it stops. So I will write down initial velocity was, if you see, v0 by 2. So I will put here v0 by 2 whole square into 2a. S is this, right? So from here we'll write down this v0 square is equals to 4 into 2 into 4 into 8. That is v0 is equals to 16. If you see, this is 16 into 16. So now you can check for the option here. C is the correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.